Hello guys, in this video, you will learn how I got the US visa, O-1 visa, in just 7 days. And you could do it. Let's dive in. What is the O-1 visa? The O-1 visa is a US work visa for people with ability in art, business, science, education, athlete, and for those special achievements in film and TV. Many creative professionals also qualify: painters, designers, hairstylists, and special chefs. But it's not about your job title. It's about your achievement, which you did, and your evidence. So you can show your track record, quality, you can build a strong case. How I started preparing. My documentation method. When I decided to apply for the O-1 visa, I didn't start by choosing a lawyer. I started writing everything down. I opened a simple Google Docs and wrote my current situation, what strengths I have, what achievements I can already prove, what the O-1 criteria are, what I still needed to work on, a checklist of tasks, a timeline. This was basically my self-documentation. Writing everything down helped me understand my real strengths, see exactly what I was missing, stay calm during the process, stay organized and motivated. Anyone can do this. You don't need to have any special format. Just write down your story and your evidence, your achievement which you did. How I choose the right immigration lawyer. Part of my documentation included a section called How I Will Find the Right Immigration Lawyer. This was important because every lawyer gives different advice, and price can be very different. So I wrote down what kind of lawyer I need, my target budget, red flag to avoid, what question I want to ask, how to compare lawyers after talking to them. But the most important step was this. I did at least 5 immigrant lawyers free consultation call. This is so important. I booked 5 lawyers. Here what happened. One lawyer quoted a very high price. 4 other lawyers said my case was not difficult at all. Because I compared multiple opinions, I chose one lawyer in New Jersey for $7,000, which was a fair and reasonable price for my case. The research saved me a lot of money and gave me confidence that I chose right person. How I satisfied the O-1 criteria. Real example. Criteria 1. Judge experience. One O-1 requirement is that you must judge the work of others. Most people think this means judging something huge or famous, but you don't need that. Don't worry too much. Here what I did. I volunteered at local startup event. Actually, I did volunteer for tons of local events in Tokyo and San Francisco. Pitch contest, small AI conference. I helped with check-in, volunteer team support, event operations, hospitality. Then I asked to the event organizer, hey, since I helped your event, could you please assign me a judge at your pitch event? I can provide UX designer's perspective. And they said yes. I took photos, posted them on LinkedIn, and these posts became official evidence. Another requirement is you have to publish a book or you have to publish a white paper, etc. You don't need to be a researcher or you don't need to be a famous author. Here is what I did. I wrote interview articles on LinkedIn. I turned those articles into a Kindle ebook. The title was Moving to Tokyo from Abroad with Technology Skills. I posted a screenshot on LinkedIn saying, "Yes, I published a book." It's super easy, super few costs. You can just do it step by step. So, criterion completed. My work experience after the criteria. Now that you understand some criteria, here is my work experience that supported my case. I used to be a UX designer at MasterCard New York office, and I also worked for a Y Combinator startup in New York. That was under a different visa, so this O-1 application was actually my second time to get US work visa, but I haven't lived in the US, not at all. I came back to Japan, so I started to O-1 visa process from Japan. At the time I applied, my podcast had only fewer than 300 subscribers. YouTube didn't help my case. I was not famous, but I was active. I posted everything on LinkedIn. Volunteer work, judge experience, local event participation, interviews, my book publication. All of this became valuable evidence. My immigration lawyer told me for the O-1 visa, more evidence is more evidence. Even small volunteer activities showed contribution, so I collected everything. Final advice before you start. Please do at least 5 immigrant lawyers free consultation call. This is the best way to get real clarify and fair pricing. 2. Immigration rules changes often. Always confirm your current situation with a licensed immigration lawyer. 3. Don't compare yours to others. This is so important. The visa process is so emotional. We have to spend money, time, and uncertainty, right? It's easy to feel insecure. Please don't compare your journey to someone else. Compare only to your own progress, okay? If you keep going step by step, you can absolutely build a strong O-1 case. If you want to start your O-1 journey, I put a list of recommended immigration lawyers and law firms in the description of this episode. Please take a look. Thank you so much for watching our episode today. We hope this episode will help your future and you will get the O-1 visa. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. またね。Ciao. Yay!